Choosing a current event. In this first part of your current events project, your goal is to choose a current event. A current event is something that's happening in the news, and for our sake, it's going to have at least two sources to describe this current event. To make it current, we want articles that have been published recently. I've included the date here where any article that you look at, it should be published within the last few days. And this page is for you to tell me what your topic is and include the two links or two sources that you found about this topic. It is one topic with two links or sources that have an article about the topic you've chosen. And I'm going to show you an example. My example is not a current event, and you'll see why in just a moment. I've chosen an article here about recent Hurricane Ida damage. However, you will see this is not a current event because of the date it was published. Published September 3rd. It was updated a little bit more recently, updated September 10th, but it's still not going to fit as a current event because I want something really recent. This one's just going to be my example. I also have a second article that is also about President Biden visiting Louisiana. This one comes from CNN. And there goes the advertisement. This one, you will see this article was published on September 3rd. You usually find the date your article was published just below the title. They are the same topic, however. So for the sake of example, I'm going to use this one. I know nobody is going to have this as their topic because it is too old. So I will include in my Google Doc what my topic is, which is just a quick summary of what your headlines are. You don't need a lot of information. I'm going to put Biden visits Louisiana after hurricane. And I'm going to include the two links, which I am just going to copy and paste into my Google Doc. First one here comes from New York Times. Just add a space, that's how I made that link. And the second one is from CNN. I'm going to put this one here. And now this part is done. That's all you need. That's all I'm looking for on this first part of your current events project. Choosing a topic that interests you and finding two reliable sources that go with that topic.